Dear students, today we will discuss regarding abrasion testing. Now abrasion testing, firstly what do you mean by abrasion? Abrasion is nothing but tear and wear. Now this abrasion testing is to be conducted for tiles. Basically why to go for conducting abrasion testing for tile? Because tile is the only material where you will have wear and tear or surface load is there, because of which it will have reduction in thickness. That we are going to check out by this equipment. Now introduction to equipment, basically here we are having display where you will note down revolutions. Total 22 revolutions are there for single set. Okay. Second one, this is your loading frame. Loading frame is of weight 300 newtons. 300 newton load is already there. Third one, this is your setup provided for releasing abrasive powder. Why abrasive powder is to be used? Because of abrasion, tile is going to have wear and tear, and for that we are introducing or we are using abrasive powder. Fourth one, this is your holding frame. Now here we are going to place tile for abrasion testing. Now which type of tile is to be used and what is the size of specimen, that we will discuss. This is your tile which is we are using for abrasion testing. Mosaic tile is there with size 7.06 cm by 7.06 cm. Now total setup required. First important thing, that is your loading. Loading is 300 newtons. Second one, total 110 revolutions are to be given. Now by single set you will have 22 revolutions. That means for 110 revolutions we will repeat this procedure 5 times. After 22 it is going to end the procedure. Again we are going to start it. Again 22, next 22, likewise 110 revolutions are to be given. After 110 revolution, this one will be the original position of tile. We will rotate it in 90 degree, so that abrasion will be in second direction as well. Then we will go for next 110 revolutions. After these two, we will go for checking thickness. That means total 110 revolution for original position, next 110 revolution for second position, and after this we will record thickness. Now by using thickness measurement machine for tile, by using that we will record thickness. Now to start with setup, we are going to on it from here. After 22 revolution it will end directly. Okay. From here I will release abrasive powder. Here is the abrasive powder which is placed directly. Okay. So by starting it, so this was first set. After this first set, we are going to repeat this 5 times. 22 multiply 5, total will be 110 revolution. After 110 revolution, we will rotate it in 90 degree. And again we will place that at this position. Again 110 revolutions are to be done. And at the end, we will record the thickness. So this is the machine used for measurement of thickness of tile. Now I have already told you, tile used for tile abrasion testing machine is our mosaic tile, which is having size 7.06 by 7.06 centimeters. Now our thickness is to be measured. Now to measure that thickness, this is our tile thickness machine. Now this tile thickness machine basically consists of two types of scale in it. Total capacity of measurement of this machine is 25 mm. That means maximum 25 mm thickness you can measure by using this machine or by using this instrument. Now two types of scale are which first one is main scale, which is inside. For example, if I am going to pick this point, at that time you will have rotations. Okay, so whenever I am lifting this, you are going to notice here changes in your inner side scale. It is going to move from 5 to 6, then 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, then again it will come to 0. For example, from 0 to again 0, it is going to give reading as a 10 mm. Now next one, if it is moving to 1, that means 11, 12, 13. Likewise again up to 0, it will give reading as 20 mm. Now after that it will only go up to 5, that is 25 mm. Therefore total capacity of measurement is 25 mm. Now second scale is your outer side scale, that is your vernier scale. After recording inner side reading, for example your rotations were 6, that means 6 mm is reading, but accurate reading will be this. For example, it is 30 over here. See, it is 30, that means your reading is 6.30 mm. Your thickness of tile is 6.30 mm. Now we will check out once for one specimen of tile. Total 5 readings have to be taken and average thickness is to be noted. Now where we are going to note down that reading? At this corner, corner number 3, corner number 4, and at the center. And after having all these 4 to 5 readings, total average is to be taken. Okay, for example, we have placed this tile over here and center reading is to be noted. Now see, if you are going to observe inner side, at that time your pointer is at 8, that means 8 mm reading is there. Now by vernier scale you are at 26. Okay, for outer scale your list count is 0.01 mm. Now again listen carefully. At main scale you are having pointer at 8, that means 8 mm. At vernier scale your pointer is at 26, that means 0.26. Total tile thickness is recorded as 8.26 mm. Similarly, after testing we are going to check out thickness of tile by the same procedure, and then we will go for theoretical reduction in thickness. Okay.